Hi, in this video I wanna show you how to make explainer video for free using AI tool.
Alright, welcome to the explainer. Today we're going to tackle a tricky little... Alright.
In the end of this video I wanna show you how to make a video like
Only by a
this.
first name, like Professor
To do this, go to Google and search for Notebook LM AI tool. Go to this website and using your Google account, log in to this AI tool. Try Notebook LM, then create new, then go to settings, output language and choose any language that you want. For example, let's choose English, save, and then we need to find material about your topic. Go to any AI tool like DeepSeek or ChatGPT or any other like books, websites, YouTube video and search for your topic material. For example, how to properly care for teeth at different ages. Let's see what we can find on this topic. You can also use Notebook LM search for this material, but it is not always correct material searching here. It's more accurate using DeepSeek or ChatGPT, but you can use in this search bar as well. But now I show you how to use with DeepSeek. When our information is ready, read this information, and if everything is okay, just copy this text and then go to our Notebook LM, press Add Source, copied text, and paste our text. Then go to press Insert and wait. And just press Video Overview and Infographic. Now we need to wait about 10 minutes when our video will be ready. Okay, after 10 minutes our video and the infographic is ready and we can download this. So this is our explainer video.
Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something we all go through, a lifetime teeth. We're going to go from that very first baby tooth all the way to did when you were you'll face non-negotiables, your dentist on the regular, and drink lots of. Don't think they don't for a baby's first visit. Number one rule, first up, the white spot. We have to talk about the really serious.
This is quite good explainer video, but now we can do this video a little better. Go to any video editor like CapCut, create project, put our video here, and cut this end, and now we have infographic as a PNG picture, and we can use this picture in our video project. For example, we can add to the end of this video or to any part of the video. For example, we can put it in the start of this video. Like this, and make our explainer video a little better. Press export, choose any name, choose resolution and press export.
Hey everyone and welcome. Today
So our video is ready.
Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something
Such video you can use as a presentation or try something, learn, or even for your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was useful, please subscribe to the channel, leave any comment below and press like. Bye.